Introducing the Troomi Smart Browser, our next generation parent-managed web browser designed specifically for kids and families. It combines secure filtered web browsing, safe YouTube viewing, and an age-aware AI assistant, all with detailed activity reporting and control for parents. So you can give your kids a safer, happier childhood free from digital addiction and online exploitation. Whether you're coming from our SafeList browser, Chrome, or just getting your first Troomi phone, the Troomi Smart Browser is the default browser on our Discover plan. Let's show you some of the amazing features it holds. Robust content filtering. As a parent, you're in control. You choose which categories to allow, and our smart browser will enforce safe search. If your child comes across a website that our software deems inappropriate, it will be blocked. If it's a website or video related to an approved category, your kid can submit a request for your approval in the parent portal. If you want a similar experience to the current KidSafe browser, you can turn on SafeList Mode, which only allows content you approve. For more freedom, you can turn on the Advanced mode, while Explore mode is a happy medium. To add or block sites, head over to the web settings, then website permissions. Toggle open the approved sites, press the plus icon, and add the website. It's the same for block sites. Dashboard insights. Don't worry about being left in the dark about what your child is seeing, doing, and experiencing online. You now have access to key information about your child's browsing history, attempted website access, and browsing time, all within your Troomi Parent Portal dashboard, giving you a clearer picture of your child's web browsing experience. On the home screen, press the Edit Card Layout button. We recommend starting with the Browser Insight, Usage by Day, and YouTube Usage Cards. AI Assistant. Our KidSafe AI Search Assistant offers filtered, age-appropriate answers formulated into wikis. Parents are always in control and can enable or disable the AI search at any time. By default, it's turned off. To toggle it on, head to Web Settings. This setting works in connection with the browser access below it and the category filter. This helps our Troomi AI to tailor responses appropriately. YouTube Viewer. We know YouTube can present some concerning content to kids, but we've got a solution so you never have to worry about your kid going down YouTube rabbit holes or seeing ads again. Our smart browser can provide a secure ad-free YouTube experience, removing comments and recommendations altogether. So your kids get to watch only the YouTube content you're comfortable with. You can approve individual videos or whole channels. By default, it's turned off. To enable YouTube, head to Web Settings and toggle it on. Click on the Suggested Content tab. You'll create a folder. You can call it whatever you'd like, but we'll call it YouTube Approved. Click into the YouTube Approved folder. You'll see Add Link, Add Video, and Add YouTube Channel. We'll talk about the first two links in a moment. In this case, we'll just click Add YouTube Channel and go to the channel you want to add. In this case, we'll add Dude Perfect and paste in the URL in the URL block and add a title. In this case, Dude Perfect. Remember, if you add the channel, you'll approve every video added from the creator. Confirm it here by clicking the checkbox. Then press Add Channel. To add individual videos, just click Add Video. Get the video URL from the browser or via the Share button. Head back to the parent portal and paste it in the URL box and add a title. Then press Add Video. This will only add this individual video to your child's homepage. Your kids can watch ad-free and with no comments. Custom Browser Home Screen. Create a more tailored approach by creating custom folders with bookmarks to websites, dedicated wikis on their interests, and even specifically approved YouTube channels. To do this, you'll head to the Web Settings and Suggested Content tab again. Create a new folder for art. Here, we'll add websites that help inspire your child. In this case, we'll add the artprojectforkids.org and friendsartlab.com. To do this, click Add Link, paste the URL, and add a title, and press Add Link. Add any other videos or channels that help your child learn art. This is device specific, so if you have multiple Troomi accounts, you can grant permissions for the devices you would like to allow and block it from others. Once you're done, exit the folder. Now your child will be greeted with these folders when they open their Troomi Smart Browser. When they click into it, they'll have access to the website, videos, and channels, providing a great starting point for your child's next creative project. If you had or would like Chrome installed, it is still available, but it's now just managed like any other app via the App Store. We understand the fear of giving kids too much too soon. With the Troomi Smart Browser, you're no longer guessing where the internet might take your child. You're guiding their experience every step of the way.